Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make tandoori chicken strip with paratha. So I've got roughly here about 3 chicken breasts which I've made into small long strips. You need paratha, you can use any brand you want, some tandoori masala, some olive oil or any oil you want, some salt, some salad, any salad of your choice, but I've got some lettuce and some onions. So I'm using 1.5 tablespoon of tandoori masala. I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So you can add the salt according to your taste. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. So I'm just going to mix it. So I've done the mixing. Added some oil in a grill pan. So now I'm just going to put all the chicken strip in. And let this cook for about 10 minutes before I change the side over. So while my chicken is getting done, I'm just going to do my parathas. So I'm just going to add my paratha in another saucepan. So it's been cooking for 10 minutes, so I've just changed the side over. It's been cooking for roughly about 10 minutes on slow medium heat. So it's done, I'm just going to turn the gas off. Okay, so I've just placed the chicken strip. It's going to add some Nando's peri peri sauce. I'm also going to add some mayonnaise. Okay, so now I'm going to add some sliced onion. Okay, so now I'm going to add some lettuce. You can add whatever salad you like, cucumber, tomatoes. So you just roll it over now. So here my tandoori chicken strip in paratha is ready. You can make this in Ramadan. It's a very quick and simple recipe to make.